Hey, what's good guys? Welcome back to TechSmartt for my second favorite series here on the channel. If you want to see the first favorite series, it's right up there in the iCard. It's called Wish Busters. But basically, this series is about mystery boxes in eBay. So it's time to find out what's inside the mystery box. So in case you guys are new here, check out the iCard playlist. You'll get all caught up to speed, then come back to this episode. But basically, we go on eBay and we buy what are known as mystery boxes. Just watch the playlist. You'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. Just trust me. Just trust me. It sounds weird. Just watch up there. So we're about to go on eBay and buy one of the most expensive mystery boxes for a special episode. We're gonna buy the HYPEBEAST and Supreme mystery boxes. Ironically enough, or maybe unironically, it's the mystery box that has the most listings. Like, there are 65 of these things on eBay, and that's what everyone's making. So we're gonna go in here, buy them up, and drop a like in this video because I'm scared. If we get 20,000 likes, I'll do this again. I'm not really a hypebeast anymore, so I lose the kind of feel. The boxes are good, maybe that might convert me, but it's up to you guys. So let's do it, let's go on eBay. So we're just gonna search Supreme mystery box. It's gonna get real rocky real quick. These are expensive. 450 bucks, 750 bucks, 200 bucks, 100. All right, let's check out 100. Katharina, all right, I remember checking out the seller before. They were in a previous episode. $23 shipping from New Hampshire. HYPEBEAST mystery box that is guaranteed to exceed its asking price. Coming from an account with excellent feedback. It's kind of ironic, bro. 94 feedback, 94%. I don't know how excellent that is. Items may be pre-owned or brand new. All right, so box includes items from brands such as Bape, Supreme, Nike, Gucci, and more. I've never heard of more. Is that like a hype brand? All right, so let's just add this thing to cart. Let's see what else this seller has. I'm kind of curious. Let's see what this guy's got cooking up. $450 box. He's got YouTube in the title. It's like he knows. I'm gonna pick it up. 450 bucks. That might be the most expensive one. You don't know. If there's an episode 2 of this and you guys really want to see me blow money, this is the best way to do it. I'm one of the world's most overhyped brands. So like, I decided to wear Supreme in this video. Not. HYPEBEAST mystery box. Okay, we got 2 in the cart. Let's see what we find. 99 bucks, 2 fire emojis in the title. Guaranteed HYPEBEAST. It is a guarantee. Minimum $300 value. Just make an offer, I guess. 200 bucks. This is my first offer box, so this could be going south real quick. Real quick. All right, 3 in the cart. $10,000 HYPEBEAST box contains, what does it contain? Some Air Maxes? Does it contain something of Nike? How can you charge $10,000? I better see 2 LV Vogos in here. I almost want to do it. This is what I'm talking about. Maybe this is the big box I take a big gamble on, spend 10 grand, might even have to get a sponsor. If you guys hit the like goal, I'll do something crazy like this. And we can basically put this eBay account out of business because I am gonna be so upset if it's not worth 10 grand. $500 box, so more expensive than the other one. $40 shipping from Vermont. My old Supreme dealer used to be up in Vermont, so maybe it's him, you never know. He used to stock me up with the heat. So I'm just gonna add it to the cart and just move on with my life. Mystery box, Bape. 650 bucks, that's just, wow. All right, you know what? I think I might even just call it quits there. 650 bucks, 5 feedback, $3.50 shipping. How is it gonna get here? What is it, just 1 shirt? I think that's enough for this. I don't even know how much I spent. I got 6 boxes, 5 boxes. All right, I'm gonna hit order. Man, I'm just as sketched out as you are right now. It's done. Now we wait. I'm actually kissing the mystery boxes. This is the Supreme mystery box, and it's finally here. Here we go. So this is box 1. Make sure to check the iCard at the end. I'll have you guys vote on the top 4 items from this video. We're about to get into it. I'm a little nervous, actually, just because I don't know if there's going to be good stuff in here. You hope. You don't always know. That's what the mystery's about, right? Oh, wow. So everything is packaged. I'm just going to take everything out. So some shirts for sure. Little sneak peek. We got a Prada bag. Oh, no. All right. So who knows the difference between real Coach and fake Coach? Because I'm going to say it now. I think this is a fake Coach bag. What did you include? So this, I don't, let me know in the comments if you know what brand this is. What is, you see it first? Oh, nice. Be Yourself. It's some Be Yourself bracelets, a bangle set. I feel like they just put the $50 price tag on here just to slowly but surely go, all right. He spent $1,000, 50, $950 left. This is supposed to be a nice mystery box. You're sending me cream. I don't want cream, of course. It's a fragrance mist from Bath & Body Works. It's that Tahiti Island Dream. So I don't know if this is a real or fake Kate Spade clutch, a purse, a wallet. I'm not gonna use this. I guess my mom and sister did some early presents this year. And what, did we just go to Bath & Body Works? No, we didn't. We went to Coach and we got some, what? Well, you know it's Supreme. All right, so this seems to be a Supreme box. Okay. Oh, a nice note. I'm gonna read the note. Thank you for your purchase. If you are a YouTuber and you like what's in the mystery box, please advertise my eBay account. But if you don't like it, I didn't send it. My friend did. All right, so you guys can see these mystery box makers, they have some humor. If you would like to continue to visit with me, please contact me. Gives me his Instagram. Also, apologize for the bad handwriting and the name/prices of the items are on the back of this paper. 2 of these are dead stock and the other 2 are used. Thanks again. I'm not even gonna look at the back because I don't want to see the prices. Wait, kidding me? No way. They put boxers in here. All right, so in this box, you can see what would only be fitting, right? In the box, you find a pair of boxers. Really? I have a lot of these. I'm wearing a pair, so I don't know if it's safe to say that these are new. I hope this is one of the dead stock items. Dead stock means brand new, no one's ever used it. Because if this is used, and this is one of those 2 used items, I'm just gonna end the video. So hopefully we find out what is the other used item. Oh, great, another unused item. And then, of course, the Supreme bag. All right. Well, okay, so here's the dead stock item. Boom, we got the studded script hat. Oh my, please don't be. Thank you so much for the unused candy. Hopefully this hasn't been in your mouth, but just because you write the word Supreme on the Ziploc bag, that somehow opened up while it was shipping. Like, this doesn't do a whole lot for me. Are these socks used? Of course they're used, because they have a hole in the bottom. Like, thank you. You know what? Thanks for the unused stickers. You might as well just have used them for me. Oh, that's cool. Don't let dreams die. My mystery box dreams died today, guys. So box 3, hopefully it gets better. I can see on the outside of the box, this says HYPEBEAST box contains items from Vape and Supreme. So we're gonna hold them to that. Hopefully, just please give me something that isn't a used pair of boxers, please. So we got an Obey hat. I don't think that says Supreme or Vape. We got, oh great, a used hat with some hair in it. Thank you for the Supreme toque, appreciate you. Some tags for some items, just so you can prove that this box did have some heat once. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Are these off-white? Yo, these are some like off-white, no, of course not. Wait, maybe? I think, I hope these aren't used. I wanna say this is the, is this off-white collab? But I think this is the off-white compression shorts with Nike, because it says logo right there. Not a logo, the word logo. And then, ooh. No, these aren't fitting a guy. Ooh, this is kind of cool. I don't know what year this is from, but it's a medium, so it won't be fitting me. It means I could go to one of you guys if you want it. Let me know on Insta, I'm just TechSmartt. Hit me in the DMs if you guys need an extra shirt. But that seems cool. My favorite. Yes, of course, a nice used, whoa, not a used pair of jeans. Would these jeans actually cost $275? Ev, my man, this is gonna be our last YouTube video because I know what we're making now. This was $275. Then, ooh, all right, I messed with these shorts. What logo is that? Bear? Is it Chicago Bears? It's Chicago Bears pants. This toque or beanie, you can probably see the hair fall out of it as I shake it. but you know, it's still pretty cool, right? All right, so box 4, please be much better than anything else we've seen before. It's Supreme, but I didn't see any Bape. I didn't see anything good in there. I saw like one shirt that doesn't even fit and some jeans that look cool, but I said I was a size 34. That's why they asked for the sizes, right? Yeah, I don't know why else. Maybe they're selling your data. Might make them more money. All right, so this Hype Society. 1 shirt, 2 shirts, brand new. I'm feeling good about this. Guy was professional, had some business cards in there. Let's go with the brand new stuff first. Whoa, what? This is from Pablo? And this is LA? Wait, actually? You sure this is brand new, dude? I was just wearing one of these last night. Really? That's crazy. It says no more parties in LA. This is dope. That is sweet. All right, let's see something that's not brand new. Let's see what's in here. Oh, whoa, I've always seen this shirt. Yes, I don't know if it's just called screws or something, but it's this screw pattern, and it says Supreme right there. It's in a medium. So guys, you know what that means. Hit me up on Insta. But don't just DM me if you're not following. That's just too cold. I ain't cold like that. Oh, yeah. Inflatable beach ball. Yeah, I'm down with that. Some vintage stuff, okay? I like more of the vintage one-off stuff. I'm not really into wearing it all that much. And then a Hype Society t-shirt. Look at you. Look at you just plugging yourself. All right, you know what? I mess with it. And then the last thing here, brand new item. Here we go. Ooh, whoa, that is, oh, and it's my size. Dude, this is so cool. I want your honest opinion on this. What do you think about this? That's mad dope from Ev. Wow, this is fire. I'm actually going to wear this. This is a really cool shirt. I don't even know what years it's from. Seriously, let me know in the comments if you guys know more about Supreme than me. You know, the years, the history on these. That's cool. That's what it's about, you know? Wow. Oh, man. I think this one's the best one yet. It's the biggest. All right, last box. Here we go. Fragile. It's like caramel and caramel. Dude, everyone just wanted to write me a note. I love it. I love it. That's awesome. That's what eBay's all about, man. Buying a bunch of mysteries, feeling like you're Scooby-Doo, and then hopefully getting a nice little thank you. Okay. Supreme bag 2, 3, and 4. That's a Nike shoebox, by the way. All right, so first thing here is a Supreme Illusion coin bank. So I've seen this, but I've never picked it up. Illusion coin bank. So I'm putting money in it, and it's like just eating it up. This would be something good if you had a restaurant. Just disappears. It's because of these mirrors. That's pretty groovy. That's some heat. Next are these Supreme hair bobbles. What's a hair bobble? What is a hair bobble? Is this a unisex product? Can I get my hair bobbled? Ooh, okay, wow, these would make sense. So like, also dice you could put on your mirror, but a little smaller, and not gonna, well, they're gonna bobble, but I don't know if they're gonna bobble the way you'd want them to bobble. And they say Supreme on each cube. It's kind of cool. You got someone special to share with. Why do I feel like this is a snow globe? Oh, what? Oh, Supreme jars. Nice little Supreme jar. That's cool. I got the perfect household setup here, Ev. So if you're at your house, this is where you keep the pennies every time you swear, and you put them in the bank. Just like that, Ev. You'll never know if it's full. Oh, what? That's dope. I have the shirt for this. I really like the sticker. I'm gonna keep this. Don't need these. Oh, what? You can plant. Supreme does flowers now. Here's what the shirt says. It says something that's not too family friendly. Gotta keep it family friendly. I'm gonna say this now. Ev, if there's a size 30. Oh. So you guys know Virgil Abloh. I actually got to meet him at one of his art galleries. It was on Strange if you guys missed it. I never knew him and Nike did a Mercurial collab. So Mercurial is Nike's kind of elite cleat, or boot if you guys play soccer or football. It's like I gotta get both, right? So soccer, football, I used to play it. I used to love soccer growing up. I'm just gonna refer to it as soccer. Don't eat me alive in the comments. But I think this could be one of the top items in here. So it says box. As you guys probably saw with the compression shorts earlier, it said logo. So box, that's how you know it's a collab. Oh my dude. If these are, oh, whoa, it says boot bag. So you can carry around your boots. Oh, wait, these aren't cleats? I thought I was in the know. Dude, these are wavy. Everything looks good up until this point. So this is where you guys gotta screenshot this, and if you know, let your boy know in the comments, because we don't mess around with fakes here. So these are 10.5s. Everything looks good, box looks good. If you guys wanna quickly screen grab the tag here. I don't know about you guys, but the fact that this box says suggested retail price 200 looks good. It's got the off-white logo, Nike football. Okay, whoa. So these are, dude, I'm busy thinking I know it all here. I don't know jack. I thought these were for soccer. These are actually their football line. That's dope. I mean, soccer, football. Hey, I guess I'm kind of right. So vote up there which item you think was the coolest from this video. We got the Mercurial off-white shoes is number 1. Number 2, this Supreme shirt, which I'm totally gonna wear. Got the Illusion coin bank. I mean, you didn't even know it's an illusion. And then item 4, the used boxers. I don't care if you washed them. I ain't wearing them. That's just weird. So that's it for this video. If you guys want another mystery box, make sure to drop a like and check out the iCard up there if you guys want to see any more mystery box series. Check out these other 2 videos here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.